Okay. Oh, I didn't even test that. But that's because this one has a problem and we got to get it fixed. We're going to get rain down here in a minute. Woo! You look good on that there, Mrs. Adventure. Heck yeah. Yep, turn in here. Nice and slow. And lean a little to the right, just like you were doing with this one. Yeah, just a little. Right. Now, because that is it's only a 1-speed crank. If you tried to pedal right now, you wouldn't be able to. I couldn't pedal beyond like 8 miles per hour or something because it's just, you're spinning your legs too hard. Which is fine because, heck, you don't need to be pedaling. You can just do throttle only and I couldn't hear you. What was that? Well, try pedaling backwards. Because I tried that earlier and it didn't want to do it. There's something about the design, it just didn't seem to want to do it. Okay. Well, try doing it when you stop later, because when you're standing still, it didn't like it.